It can be difficult to go somewhere when you're not sure of yourself.
Being able to call a female RV tech will put them at ease.
I appreciate that women are willing to go out into different workforces.
I know that I can handle any problem that might occur, and I love the fact that I can also help others along the way.
I'm Jennifer, and I am a certified RV tech.
I'm Sherry. I'm a certified RV tech.
I'm Christy, and I'm a registered RV tech.
I'm Christine, and I'm a certified RV technician.
I decided to come to the NRVTA when I was trying to find a mobile technician to repair our RV, and everyone was booked 3 weeks out, and I ended up being able to fix the problem myself and knew that I could do this for other people.
I decided to come to the NRVTA because I was a full-time RVer and really didn't know what I was doing, and I needed to get an education to learn how to take care of my RV. And as I started through the program, I continued on and became a certified tech.
We began our full-time RV living, and neither my husband or I knew anything about the mechanics of it, and I just have a passion for tearing things down and figuring it out, and so this kind of felt like it fit right in my wheelhouse.
All the instructors were very encouraging, answered any questions, and they take things slow if you need to go slow and make sure that everybody has a full understanding when the class is complete. Having women in the RV industry is very important because many more women are traveling by themselves.
So being in my 60s, I'm just not ready to hang up my hat yet. Back when I first started RVing, I had an Airstream, and my friend and I put solar on it, and I was just in awe of all the technical issues that are related to just putting some panels on the roof of an RV and getting it all to work, 12 volt versus 120. And so I decided to focus mainly on that aspect. And being a female, I thought it would be conducive to helping other women who want to boondock a little bit more and not feel tied to the power post, so to speak.
I would encourage any woman that wanted to come to the NRVTA. The education is incredible what you get. The support, not only going through the program, but afterwards is just absolutely incredible.
If you are considering any of this as an option in your life, I cannot encourage you enough to come to the NRVTA. This has been an extremely awesome experience for me. I have felt extremely comfortable here. I've felt welcomed, and never did I feel like, oh, you're just a girl.
I feel like the more of us that are out there, the more comfortable women will feel in getting their hands dirty and knowing that we can go in there, maintain things, repair things, and take care of it ourselves. I feel like this can be for anybody. Women, men, anyone. This was a very pleasant experience in that the teachers, the students, there's a lot of male students, and not one of them made me feel like I was lesser. And so it doesn't matter if you're a man or a woman, if you're interested in helping yourself, getting the knowledge just to even take care of your own rig, this is the place. This is it.
The RV industry has never been more popular than it is right now, and it's never been so understaffed. We need thousands of technicians and inspectors just like you. Click the link below to learn more and get your future started today.